IPMT and insert function, type IPMT, click on go, and here it is. I'll click OK. So when it comes to the IPMT, you are just working out what the interest rate is, or should I say, what the interest is being paid. Very similar to the PMT in many ways, but there is a few slight differences. First of all, we do have to select the rate, that is the 5% here. Once again, we do have to find out the monthly payments, so we'll just divide it by 12. Then we have the period. So when it comes to the period, it's basically asking out of the 360 months, which period do you want to look at? Because when you take out a mortgage, your first payment, a lot of money is actually going towards the payment of interest. And then when you get closer to the end of mortgage, less payment is dedicated towards the interest payment. Once we fill this table, we'll see this in its entirety. So exactly what this looks like. When it comes to this, you will put in a 1 for the first period. But I will demonstrate this just a little further in a second. But basically we'll put a 1 in here for the first period. The number of period is going to be 360 months. Remember, we need to keep it as months. The present value is going to be negative 200,000 pounds. Value will be 0 because it will be paid off. I don't know if you remember, but with the PMT function, we had a type input cell. That's not available here, and the future value will be 0 as it will be paid off. I don't know if you remember, but with PMT function, we had a type input cell that's also available here. If you just scroll down with this, okay, so we have a preview of our answer here, 833 pounds, and I'll just click OK for this, and that is the PMT and IPMT written out.